Hey, welcome back, guys, to Dirty Boots Capital. I'm sorry I've been away for a little bit. I've been wrapping up some business up north in New England, uh, getting that squared away before my big move to Florida, and that's where I am now. It's taken me a little bit to get settled in here, so I apologize. I haven't had a chance to post any videos recently, but I do have some important information I do want to share and get out to you folks. Just to give you a perspective of what's happening down here in Florida, and I'm sure across many other states. I've been down here for about a week now, and scoping things out, speaking to construction managers of houses, and just trying to get a deeper understanding as to what's going on. Boots on the ground, as I say, right? So we titled the company Dirty Boots Capital for a reason, right? Dirty boots because we get our boots dirty walking this lifestyle each and every day, speaking to people in the construction industry as to what's going on. So I think this is valuable information. So one of the things I did was I reached out to a point of contact I had down here who sells homes. And about a year ago, they were selling homes before they were even completed. I think, as many of you know. Right now, today, she has 7 completed homes in the subdivision that she has not been able to sell. Right. So I went to her in terms of speaking on behalf of one of our investors, saying, hey, do you have any completed homes we might be able to buy? And she says, yeah, we have 7 completed homes ready to go. And I said, well, what if we take all 7? Would you be willing to negotiate the price? And she could not say fast enough that yes, they would be willing to negotiate the price. She could not get those words out fast enough. It's almost like she knew it was coming, and she wanted to offer it up ASAP. So anyway, I wanted to share that little perspective with you, and then also one of the things another subdivision is offering is $55,000 off of the purchase price, right? So that's huge when you compare it to the actual base price. So these are homes that go for, in the 400s, right? So to take $55,000 off the base price of a home in the 400,000s is huge. So that's one thing that's going on down here so that builders can move product. Another thing I've seen is builders offering better than bank rates for mortgages, right? One of them down here is offering 5.5% for a interest rate on a mortgage. So of course, you need to qualify, have a certain credit score, all that jazz, but 5.5 is probably better than some folks could get at a bank. So that's another thing people are doing. Builders are using to move homes, move inventory off their books, right? And then, interestingly enough, I've received a couple of different email messages from home inspectors, just canned emails offering 25% off home inspections, right? So even they are hurting and need to drum up business. So that's been a very interesting thing. And then I spoke with a construction manager just yesterday, and I found this incredibly interesting, and I wanted to share with you folks. Um, that particular builder is building in 4 different subdivisions, brand new subdivisions, right? They're building in 4 subdivisions. Only one of those subdivisions is currently profitable for that builder. Okay. I'm sure that's not the case for all the builders, but I wanted to share that perspective. Out of 4 subdivisions they're building in, just one is profitable for them right now. So one of the things I shared on a recent interview I did with the uneducated economist just recently, Simon Caron. He has a lot of great information out there. So if you're not subscribed to his channel, I would say please go over there and do yourself a favor, subscribe to him, His channel is called The Uneducated Economist. He puts out brilliant content each and every day. And so I was chatting with him, doing an interview on his channel, and I was sharing with him one of the things we are looking at as investors is the health and wellness of these home builders, because there is a lot of investor money sitting on the sidelines, millions of dollars, multi-millions of dollars. We have one investor who has upwards of $20 million to place into residential homes or multifamilies, right? Single families or multifamilies. And they're just waiting. They're waiting to pounce. They're waiting for some of these home builders to really feel the pain, and then they're going to come in and they're going to get a decent price from what we've historically seen over the last 2 years. So anyway, I just wanted to share that information with you as to where the market is, what I'm seeing down here in Florida, and what we as investors are looking to do in terms of being liquid right now, right? Having money sitting it on the sidelines. Maybe you have it in treasuries right now, so you're getting at least 0.4% on your money or something like that. A lot of investors are doing that. But we are just very liquid right now, just waiting to see what the market does. And so that's one thing I share with many, many people that I come in contact with when they ask me, Tony, what should I do? Well, get liquid. Line some things up. If you can get a home equity line of credit on your home, that may be something you might want to do. That's short money to apply for a home equity line of credit. And then also, another thing I share with folks, again, people who go to work each and every day, who don't have time to research the market, who don't have time to, listen to a lot of research or media and try to figure out what's going on, I share with them, take a look at your 401k. Can you borrow from your 401k? If you can, understand how much you can borrow and what the rates are going to be and how that impacts you. I'm not saying that's the right thing for everyone, but I'm just saying that's a vehicle you might be able to pull on to get some liquidity, get some money, right, freed up so that you too can profit from a potential downturn in the housing market. So just wanted to share that content with you folks today. Have a beautiful day. I'm going to go enjoy the pool now. And you guys be well. Thank you.